All right, let's take a look at these questions. And this is talking about diving from a cliff, a bird, and you got to figure out some things. But they give you a quadratic equation to do that. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to find the vertex, which is negative b over 2a. So that is negative 12 over 2 times 1. Oops, don't forget about the negative 12. So that's 12 over 2, which is 6. Then you plug it back in. You're going to get 36 minus 12 times 6 plus 35. So that is negative 72 plus 35 and 36. So I know that these two give me 71 minus 72, so it's negative 1. So your vertex is 6 and negative 1. The y-intercept is 35, because that's just right there. Now it says the roots, so you need to factor that. So you're going to take 35, so that's 1 and 35, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. 5 and 7 give me 12, so negative 5, negative 7. So then I have x minus 5, x minus 7 equals 0. So I get x equals 5 there, x equals 7 there. So there's my roots. Now we can answer all of these questions. Well, except for this one. What is the average rate of change from f of 0 to f of 1? Okay, so we can use our calculator. I don't have one, so I'm going to do this. Plug in 0 squared minus 12 times 0 plus 35. Well, all of these will be 0, so then it's 35 minus f of 1. So that's going to be 1 squared minus 12 times 1 plus 35. So that's 1 minus 12 minus 30 or plus 35. So 36 minus 12 is 24 all over 0 minus 1. So that is, I believe, 9. Nope, 11. 11 over 1. Okay, over negative 1. So it's a negative 11 over 1 rate of change. Okay, how far from the side of a cliff is the fish if it is at the vertex of the curve? Well, here's the vertex of the curve. And you remember the vertex was at 6 and negative 1. So how far, if this is the cliff over here, it is 6 feet away. Okay? If you look how far below the surface of the water does the bird have to dive? Well, that's all the way down here, so at negative 1. Okay, and when will the bird enter? Well, that's the roots. It'll enter at 5, exit at 7.